Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We'll just continue doing these updates as if nothing has happened. The price right now is back at the same levels it was at about 2-3 days ago. We're in that same consolidation between 1840 and ultimately 1920, 1915. So nothing has happened, right? Well, that's what we'll talk about in this video. We'll talk about all of the news that happened and what's going on. I mean, yesterday we did not have a big crash. The day before, Monday, we got a big crash because Binance and their CEO were sued by the SEC. Then yesterday, Coinbase was sued, and well, the crypto markets like that, and we actually rallied up. And I think to start off with that, I think there's multiple reasons for that. There's some economic things going on, which could be considered as bullish. But apart from that, I mean, it's probably also just a little bit of manipulation. That really cannot be numbered away, because it's very easy to manipulate when you have just gotten a move like this. There's barely any sell limits. There's barely any selling pressure right here. So you only have to push through that initial layer of liquidations, and bam, you're up to the previous levels again. But alright, we'll do a full overview of everything and what I think about the market right now in this video. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. So alright, now let's get into Ethereum. So technically, to be fair, we are just back in that same range which I was talking about earlier, between 1840 and 1915. So I'll actually highlight that a little bit. It's not a range that we held for a long time, but the EMAs were kind of confirming that was the range, and those are two very strong key levels, right? Support and resistance. But now the big question is what will happen next? Well, if we talk about all of the news that's going on right now, I would say it's very bad news that Coinbase and Binance were sued by the SEC. But you can also make the argument that perhaps it's not that bad, right? I mean, right now there's nothing happening yet except for a freezing of Binance US's assets, perhaps. Who knows what will happen with that? That could actually provide some bullish momentum as well if that is turned down, but we'll see. But apart from that, the lawsuits will probably take years and years, and they will probably influence the market while they are going on. But for now, I mean, it's not going to do that much with Binance. Binance is mostly a company operating outside of the US. It's also not going to matter that much for Coinbase, because the Coinbase lawsuit is something completely different. It's more about securities, right? And most cryptocurrencies being securities. And then you also have the fact that Ethereum was, I believe, not named in both lawsuits. So perhaps Ethereum can actually be excluded out of the securities and be a commodity, which would be good, right? Or at least we always think that would be good. So right now we'll just have to wait for confirmation. In my eyes, we are actually, if you line everything up, we are actually pretty neutral. I mean, also with some rumors about the interest rates next week being paused. That's quite bullish. So overall, we're just in this consolidation again. And I actually think that we can, on the short term, get some moves up to this level between 1950 and 1930. But for now, I think we'll actually stabilize. I think we will actually get some, well, like I said, perhaps some bullish momentum, because we did get a little bit of a breakout above 1875, which is a minor key level right here. It's not on the chart because it would get too messy. But yeah, so I'm actually fairly steady on Ethereum right now, given all of the circumstances. I think we'll get some bullish momentum here. I don't think we'll get a massive bullish breakout. But yeah, I will keep you updated on Ethereum. So that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.